Good morning, children. Today is 27th November 2020. Day is Friday. We are on chapter 6, decimal. Okay, and we are doing multiplication. Yes, we are learning how to multiply decimal numbers. Yes, today we are going to learn how to multiply decimal numbers by decimal number. Okay, which is based on exercise 6G given on page number 90 in your book. Okay, so children, now let's see how to multiply decimal numbers with decimal numbers. Okay, now first statement I have taken, this multiplication statement I have taken, 6.0139 multiplied by 0.295. This is our multiplication statement. Okay, multiplier and multiplicand. Yes, first what we have to do, we have to simply arrange numbers, digits of a number according to their place value. This much is clear, this much you all know. And then we will start multiplications from right hand side. We always start multiplication from right hand side and from ones place. So which digit is at ones place? 5 is there. Here 5 is here, 5 is here. Yes, so multiply all the numbers in multiplier by 5 first. So 5 nines are 45. So 5 will be here and 4 will be carry over here. Yes, and then 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 9 will be here and 1 will be here carry over. Yes, 5 ones are 5. Carry 1, 6. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. Clear? This much is clear. Now what you have to do? Please cut this carry over to avoid confusion. Cut it. Okay. Now after this, tens, multiply all the digits of multiplier with the tens place, that is 9. Before that, put cross here at ones place. Why? Because we are starting with multiplication with tens place. So we will be putting cross at ones place. We will start writing product from tens place. So 9 nines are 81. 1 here, 8 here. Okay. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 5 will be here and 3 will be here. Yes, 9 ones are 9. Plus 3, 12. 2 will be here. 1 will be here. 9 zeros are 0. Carry 1. 1. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. This much is clear. Now again, children, just cut this carry over to avoid confusion. Clear? Now start multiplication from hundreds place. Okay, which digit is in hundreds place? 2 is there. So put cross on ones place and tens place. Okay, 2 nines are 18. 8 will be here. 1 will be here. 2 threes are 6. Carry 1, 7. Yes, 2 ones are 2. 2 will be here. 2 zeros are 0 will be here. 2 6 are 12. Now, this much is clear. Now at thousands place, what is there at thousands place? 0. Put cross here. At hundreds place, what digit is there at thousands place? 0. Start multiplying. So, 0 nines are 0. 0 threes are 0. 0 ones are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 6 are 0. Clear? Now, this much is clear. Children, have you noticed I simply multiplied? First what I have done, simply multiplied. Now complete this multiplication by adding it. We always start addition from right hand side ones place. Yes, so 5. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here and carry over here. Yes, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 1 carry over 20. 0 here and carry over here again 2. Yes, Now 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 will be here and carryover will be here. Yes. Now 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 0 again, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Yes. Plus 0, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. This much is clear? Now, till now children, clear? What I have done? I simply multiplied. What I have done? I simply multiplied this number. Okay. Now, where to put decimal? For where we have to put decimal, for this children, we have to count digits after the decimal. Okay, for this we will count digits in multiplier also and multiplicand also. So this is multiplier and this is multiplicand, and both the numbers are having decimal. So count how many decimals, how many digits are there in multiplier after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there after decimal. Now count in multiplicand. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, plus sign 3. So, total digits after decimal is 7. Remember this. Now count. Just let count all together, multiplicand and multiplier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, children, there are 7 digits after decimal. So what we have to do from right hand side? From right hand side we have to count 7 digits and then put decimal after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here will be your decimal. So what will be your answer, children? Your answer will be 1.77471005. This is what your answer. Is it clear? Now children, let's take another example. Here multiplication statement is 0.002 multiplied by 0.03 multiplied by 0.001. So here we are having 3 decimal numbers to multiply. Okay, in this what we will be doing? First we will multiply first 2 decimal numbers, 0.002 and 0.003. We will multiply first this, and whatever product we will be getting, then we will multiply that product and this number. Yes, this is how we are going to do this multiplication. Okay, so first let's multiply first 2 decimal numbers, that is 0.002 multiplied by 0.03. First rule, place the number of digits of a number according to their place value. So what I am going to do? 0.002 multiplied by 0.03. Yes? Clear? Now simply multiply, children. 3 2s are 6. 3 zeros 0. 3 zeros 0. 3 zeros 0. Yes. Now put cross on ones place and multiply with 0. So 0 times 2 0. 0 times 0 0. 0 times 0 0. 0 times 0 0. Simple. Now at 100 this ones place. Now see, children, put cross and we will start multiplying from here. Now 0 to 0, then 0 zeros are 0, 0 and 4 0. Clear? Add. We multiply from right hand side. we add from right hand side. So add 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now where to put decimal? Yes children, now where to put decimal? Simple. Count number of digits after decimal in multiplier and multiplicand also. So this is multiplier and this is multiplicand. Here is decimal 1, 2, 3. So 3. In multiplier 1, 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So children, that means there are total 5 digits after decimal. Count in multiplier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, now count 5 digits from right hand side. From right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put decimal here. After 5, from count 5 digits from right hand side and then put decimal after 5 digits. Here. So what is your answer children here? Your answer is 0.00006. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply the third number 0.001. Okay. So write here the third number 0.0001. So this is what? This is your another multiplication statement. Clear? What you have to do? Simple. Arrange numbers according to their place value. Arrange digits of a number according to their place value. First multiplier 0.00006. Yes, multiplied by 0.0001. Clear? This much is. Now simply multiply children. Don't get confused. Just simply multiply. So 1 times 6 is 6. 0. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. So you have, because when we multiply 1 with 0, it will be 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Yes. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay. So when we are multiplying with this place with this multiplier, it will be 0. Why? Because if we multiply any number with 0, the product will be always 0. So put 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with this one. Put cross here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple. Now with this 0. Put cross here, here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now with this 0. Put cross 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now simply add. Yes. Now simply add. At one's place 6. See, to avoid confusion, I am using this color pencil. Now this one 0. 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 This one 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes. Now children, where to put decimal? You have to count number of digits in multiplier and number of digits after decimal in multiplier and multiplicand. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And in multiplicand 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. 9. So there are 9 digits after decimal. Recheck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, now you have to count from right hand side. How many digits? 9 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, put decimal. So what will be your answer, children? Your answer will be 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. Your answer will be 0.000000006. This is what your product. Is it clear? So children, this is how we multiply. Okay, so I believe how to put decimal after multiplying decimal number is clear to you all. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.